Hey everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of the brown-spotted cow Troupial, a bird with a unique and somewhat controversial lifestyle. Let's start with the basics. The brown-spotted cow Troupial, also known as the boar-spine cowpea, is a medium-sized bird with a distinctive brown and white plumage. They have a long, pointed beak, which is perfect for catching insects, and their eyes are a bright yellow. Now, where do these birds call home? Well, the brown-spotted cow Troupial is found in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and even agricultural areas. They prefer open areas with scattered trees and shrubs, which provide them with both food and shelter. Speaking of their distribution, the brown-spotted cow Troupial is native to South America, specifically in countries like Argentina, Brazil, and Uruguay. They are a common sight in these regions, often seen flitting through the grasslands or perched on fence posts. But here's where things get interesting. The brown-spotted cow Troupial is known for its unique behavioral characteristic: it's a nest parasite. Now, what does that mean? It means that instead of building their own nests and raising their young, they lay their eggs in the nests of other bird species. This might seem like a sneaky tactic, but it's actually a survival strategy. The brown-spotted cow Troupial chooses nests of birds that are similar in size and shape to their own, so their eggs blend in seamlessly. Once the host bird lays its own eggs, the cow Troupial sneaks in and lays its own. The host bird, unaware of the deception, diligently incubates all the eggs, including the cow Troupials. When the chicks hatch, the cow Troupial chicks are often larger and more aggressive than the host chicks. They compete for food and attention, often pushing the host chicks out of the nest or even killing them. This parasitic behavior has sparked debate among ornithologists, with some arguing that it's a clever adaptation while others consider it a form of exploitation. Regardless of your perspective, it's undeniable that the brown-spotted cow Troupial is a fascinating and complex bird with a unique place in the avian world. Hey everyone, today we're talking about the brown-spotted cow Troupial, a fascinating bird with a unique reproductive strategy. The boar-spine cowpea, as it's also known, is a small, brightly colored bird found in South America. They are known for their beautiful plumage, with a mix of brown, yellow, and black markings. These birds are very social and often live in large flocks. Now, here's where things get interesting. The brown-spotted cow Troupial is a brood parasite, meaning it lays its eggs in the nests of other bird species. They don't build their own nests, instead, they rely on the hard work of other birds to raise their young. This parasitic behavior is quite common in the bird world, but it's still fascinating to see how it plays out. The cow Troupial will sneak into the nest of another bird species, like the black-capped sparrow, while the unsuspecting host is away. They'll lay their own egg in the nest, and then fly off, leaving the host to raise their young alongside the cow Troupial chick. The cow Troupial chick is often larger and more aggressive than the host's chicks, and it will compete for food and attention from the parents. This can be a real challenge for the host birds, as they're essentially raising a chick that's not their own. But why does the cow Troupial do this? Well, it's all about survival. By laying their eggs in other birds' nests, they can avoid the time and energy it takes to build a nest and raise their young. This allows them to focus on finding food and surviving, which increases their chances of passing on their genes. Now, let's talk about what the cow Troupial eats. They have a varied diet, but they are primarily insectivores, meaning they eat insects. They'll also eat fruits and seeds, and sometimes even small reptiles. The brown-spotted cow Troupial is a common bird in its range, and it's not considered to be threatened. However, habitat loss and degradation are a concern, as they are dependent on grasslands and open areas for nesting and foraging. So, there you have it. The brown-spotted cow Troupial, a fascinating bird with a unique reproductive strategy that highlights the complex and often surprising world of nature.